So today I'm going to do a video on our livestock guardian dogs. I've done a video before, about a year ago, on the dogs, but we've gotten some more dogs since then. And so I just decided to do a new video and show y'all dogs, talk about them, their ages, their personalities, things like that. So, further ado, let's get into it. Bear is a Great Pyrenees. He's about 10 years old and weighs about 150 pounds. Y'all, I praise this dog. He's our alpha dog, our top dog, the male dog that keeps the other male dogs in line. But the reason I praise this dog is we once had a mean billy goat. That billy came after me one day and he had me pinned to the ground. The other dogs kind of just watched and shocked. Well, Bear came along and pulled that goat off me. He didn't hurt the goat, he just pulled him off. And Bear even came back to me to see if I was okay. And then even went back and made sure he didn't hurt the goat. I'm telling y'all, I love this dog. And I am going to hate it when he passes on us one day. And I'm going to have to spray you for flies. Yeah. He's an old man. It's not your turn. Sheepy is about 2.5 years old. He's a Great Pyrenees and Anatolian Shepherd cross. He weighs about 130 pounds. He's more on the shy side. Ain't you, Sheepy? He's not mean or anything. We can get our hands on him. We can talk to him, pet him. He even comes when he's called. He's not really sure why I'm filming him. He just likes to be to himself. He's kind of the loner of the animals, or the livestock guardian dogs. And when he's out with the goats and the sheep, if you talk to him, he will hide behind a tree and he will look at you from around that tree and watch you and trying to figure out what you want. He is a barker at night, but he is very, very excellent at patrolling the fence at night. Chipper. Hi, bud. Good boy. Good boy, Chip. Chippy, Chippy, Chippy. You're a good boy, yeah. Dad's a good boy. I'm just shy. Yeah. Chippy. You don't want to look at the camera so everyone can see that face? There you go. This is Kiba. He's a year old. He's a Great Pyrenees. And he weighs roughly... Come here, Kiba. Come here. I need you. Not your girlfriend. He weighs roughly 125, 130 pounds. I say he's taking a line to be the leader of the back. Come here, Kiba. Kiba, come here. When Bear dies, he's going to be the second in line. He barks during the night and at day if something is around. He also loves to be in our nursery pen when we have baby goats and little lambs running around. He just loves to be with the babies. Come here, Kiba. Kiba, come on. Come on. I need you. I don't want to follow you around. James says I spoiled him by bringing him in at night when he was a puppy. He now follows me everywhere I go. If I leave the farm, he'll be waiting for me to come back by waiting by our gate. He's an excellent... Come here, Kiba! Kiba! Don't leave me! He's an excellent guard dog for the livestock and for me. I really don't think... Come here! Oh, my finger got in the way. I really don't think this dog would ever let anything happen to me. Stormy is our alpha female. Come here, Stormy. Stormy. She is about 4 years old and weighs roughly 130 pounds. She keeps all the females in line. Come here, Stormy. She keeps all the females in line. If she feels like one of them is getting out of line and they're doing something they're not supposed to be doing, she's trying to get away from me. You know, I can follow you down there. If she feels one of the females is doing something they're not supposed to be doing, she will put them right back into line. She is always right there when the babies are being born. I guess she's gonna go get her some water. And she will go swimming. But she's always right there when the babies are being born. She helps them get clean. She'll even eat the afterbirth. And when I tack up one of the horses to go out with the goats and sheep all day long, she will follow me. And when we take a break, she will go lay in the shade and just chill and wait for me to get back on the horse. You gonna go join her? She said I couldn't follow her out in the water. Winter is a Great Pyrenees. She's about 3 years old, weighs roughly 130 pounds. She is a follower, and she follows right after Stormy. She stays with the goats and sheep all day, and if something comes around, Stormy will be the first to go barking, but then Winter will be following pursuit. I have seen Stormy and Winter team up and go after a few coyotes that got a little too close to the farm. And Stormy is nothing, or Winter, my bad, is nothing but a sweet girl. Good girl. Do your job, don't ya? Sorella is a Great Pyrenees Mantel Shepherd cross. She's about 2.5 years old and weighs roughly 130 pounds. She's very quiet during the day and a barker at night. She's with the goats and sheep 24/7. She loves to take naps under our feed barn. What? Sorella just has a very sweet personality. This past summer we put her on some leased pasture with some sheep, and the owner of that land had some grandchildren staying with him during the summer, and Sorella just adored them. She'd get out of the pasture and go to see the kids, and when she got right back into the pasture, as soon as she was done saying hello to the kids. And I think she decided this would be a good time for a nap. Night-night. When she is out with the goats and sheep, she will babysit the baby goats and lambs that gets lost from their mamas. She will bring them in at the end of the day. She'll also go and check on puppies that are not hers to make sure they're all right if they go to crying. Come here, Smiles. Smiley. It doesn't matter if they belong to her or not, and if they're crying, she will double make sure they're good. What are you doing? Ignore that one. She's not a livestock dog. She's more of a pet. Her name's Rin. Were you napping and I woke you up, didn't I? You just your sweet baby. Yeah. Smiley, can you smile? Smile for everybody. Smiley. Smile. Smiley. Smile. Smiles. Can you smile? Smiley. Come here, Smiley. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Jessie is our Anatolian Shepherd. She is 28 weeks old. She weighs about 85 pounds. She's a bit of a puppy still and runs around, plays with sticks, tripping over her own feet. But she will alert you if something is around, day or night, and even if she isn't for sure about it. She will also let us know if someone comes around as well. But her days right now, she loves to spend with these goats, sheep, just hanging out with them. And she ain't busy playing with a stick. Jessie. She's gonna be a big dog. Oh, stretch. So now you're probably wondering, how does the dogs all work together? Well, I'll tell you. When all the goats go out front to, it's probably roughly 500 acres out there that we got. And when all the goats go out, well, 4 dogs go out first. And it will usually be Stormy and Winter. And then it's followed by Sorella and Chippy in the back. And they'll go out for a few hours, those goats. And then once they come back in, we will have Kiba and Bear go out to the front. And then Smiley will go out to the back. And she will bring in any babies that's usually left behind. Sometimes Bear will bring in babies that's been left behind. And Jessie, every now and then she'll go out with the others and spend some time out there, or she just comes down here and play with a stick, a pine cone, whatever she can find. That, or she'll just chill with any goats that stay down here at the barns at the hay bales, or just relax. But I'm pretty sure once she gets in, being older and figures out everything that's goes on around here for her, she'll be out there with the goats too. But I hope y'all have a great day, and if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also comment down below what you would like for me to talk about, show off, and anything else like that. Y'all have a good day now.